Oh!
Get up here, girl! One, two, three!
I thought you were gonna pour something.
You're funny.
For real, I thought my friend was gonna get smashed with that stuff. Oh.
Green beer?
Even anything. No.
Nothing.
Hey, guess what?
How do you prank it up?
What? That's a green beer! Hey, get wet! Get up here! Happy St. Patrick's Day! Green beer! Come on!
Destroyed her day.
Get wet!
You would have done it out of fun.
Funny, I don't care who you are.
That's a green beer? Are you sure?
Come on, man.
Oh my gosh. What's in there?
Get wet! Get lucky! Get wet!
Oh, you motherfucker!
Get a beer!
I was ready for that.
Happy St. Patrick's Day, you win! Hey, happy St. Patrick's Day! Green beer! Green beer! Happy St. Patrick's Day! You win?
That was not cool. Hey, monkey.
Hey! Chest ball!
You guys are mad. You guys are
Ready? You won! It wasn't even aiming at you. She's out of there. You was like, ah. Yeah, you were just like, go ahead.
I wish you would.
Wish you would have.
I wish you
Smacked it down.
But in my whole face, I was like, he ain't gonna do it. He wanna live today.
Hey everyone, I'm giving away 5 of these magic spring snakes. So if you want to prank your friends and family with one of my favorite pranks from prankkids.com, the magic spring snake. 3-foot snake comes out of this little can. I'm giving away 5 of them. All you gotta do is comment below how to prank. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Evan Era TV, link in the description, and Jason the Great 777 for some magic videos. Live inspired, shock the world. See you next time.